Simplify the expression. Assume that all variables represent positive real numbers. The square root of 2 times the cube root of 5. Express as a radical. To simplify, we first notice that we have a square root times a cube root. So we need to rewrite these roots such that we have the nth root where n is the least common multiple of 2 and 3. The least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6, and so we'll need to rewrite each factor as a sixth root. We'll start with the square root of 2. The square root of 2 is equal to 2 to the 1/2 power. To write this as a sixth root, we'll need to rewrite that exponent with a denominator of 6. So we'll multiply the numerator and denominator of that exponent by 3, and we get 2 to the 3/6. This is equal to the sixth root of 2 cubed, or the sixth root of 8. Now we want to write the cube root of 5 as a sixth root. To do that, we first rewrite the cube root as an exponential expression, 5 to the 1/3. To rewrite with the denominator of 6, we need to multiply the numerator and denominator of the exponent by 2. So we have 5 to the 2/6, which is equal to the sixth root of 5 squared, or the sixth root of 25. So our original expression is equal to the sixth root of 8 times the sixth root of 25. Now that the index of the root is the same, we can multiply the radicands. So we have the sixth root of 8 times 25, which is equal to the sixth root of 200.